So here we have the floor assistant pump. The pump that takes the water from the deep end skimmer in this type of pool. In this case, this is a variable speed pump that has a computer that controls the speeds. All we have to do, we press a stop, the pump will stop. You can close the valve on the suction side and you can open the lid. Take the lid out, make sure you don't lose the O-ring, remove the basket, and you can clean the basket to put it back on the pump. So when you're done, slide the basket back in, put the lid with O-ring on, and hand tight like this. Make sure you open the suction before you press start on the pump. That's over here. To turn it back on, press start. The pump will be back on the schedule. As you can see, the water start coming in and priming the pump by itself.